Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be doing a video on this camera that I got. This instant camera Instax Mini 9. This is what I got. I actually got this on Amazon, and it actually came. No, this one was late. This one came late. It came a day late. It's something that always happens to me, and I'm fed up. But you know, que se va a hacer? I'll open this up for y'all. So this is what it looks like. This is just coming out of the box. I've never had one of these cameras, but one of my close friends, well, she's like over there munching on crackers and butter. She had one, and she always took pictures with it, and it was like really cool, and I just wanted one for my own, so I got myself one. The box also comes with this little strap so I can strap this to my neck or whatever it may be, hang it around, and it also has a couple instruction manuals, this sticker, and this clear thing, close-up lens attachment. So not only did I get that, but I also actually got a kit. This is the kit I got, and I'm just gonna open it for you guys. It's supposed to bring the bag to put it in so it could be safe. It also supposed to bring an album book so I can put all the little pictures that I do take in the album book and a couple of other things, so you guys will be able to see that. So this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm kind of starting this video from scratch because when my friends were here, they were making a lot of noise, and I don't even remember what I did. So I'm just gonna start from the beginning. I'll be making a separate video where I learn how to do this. I'm just gonna find a video like how do you use this camera, because I've never had a camera like this, and just how to take care of it and stuff like that, because you know I want to have this for a really long time and I want to know how to use it correctly. I brought this, the bag for it, to put the camera inside. I brought this so the pictures would go in the middle, and this is just like a border. I'll also put the link in the description box where I got this, so you guys can see like what it had. So instead of it just being like the white background, it would be whatever I want it to be, so it could be different colors, pink and stuff like that. It's just photo frames. They also have like these stickers, so I would take away the middle and like paste the border on it. I didn't have to get this, to be honest. I was just looking for the bag and the album frame, but it costs more money with it separate than me just getting a kit, so I just got the kit. They also gave me a mini photo album, so yeah, I would be able to put like the pictures in here. So because I'm thinking I'm gonna put a lot of my pictures on my wall, but I also want to have like some like when I was younger, the way we took pictures was like that, like you had to take it out in a thing, and so we have a whole album book. And now that I'm older, I got to like look through it, so it's like very different experience from looking through it like through a phone or something like that than having like a physical copy of it. It also came with this. I think this is like a sticker to design the camera, so you can like put it I don't know if I'm gonna use it, at least not anytime soon. I kind of want to like just cherish how it looks now, and maybe later if I get bored, then I'll put some stickers. It brought these batteries. It brought color close-up lens, so I could take the picture with these different colors: blue, red, green, and orange. So I would just put that in here, I think, and then it would change the color. And it also brought this. The thing is though that the camera itself already brought one. So it actually brought this, which is, I think is the same thing as this. It's just blue and this is white. This is the album that came with it. So it's like a little mini album to put all my pictures in there, all the pictures that I take and stuff like that. It also brought these pens so I can write on the pictures that I take. It brought these clips. It brought rope, and it brought these also like frames so I can put the pictures, and I can hang it up around my room or whatever it may be. So it's really cool. A little over the top. You don't need to get all of these things, but it's just if you want to. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to start using this camera. I still haven't actually gotten the actual film because it comes a little later, and since there is a blizzard, it's kind of held off, so I have to hold off on actually using the camera. But I will make a video immediately after the film comes, and you guys will be able to see that, so just stay tuned to that. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, comment below if you guys want to see something like this. Just comment if you want to comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.